So I recently received the question, how should I choose the right roof for my climate? This is one of those questions where it depends. The first thing that I tell homeowners about choosing a type of roof, you should do whatever's in the neighborhood. If you have a neighborhood with nothing but asphalt roofs, it would be a mistake to put on a copper roof that costs about 10 times more than everybody else. You're going to stick out like a sore thumb and you'll never get that return on investment. So do what is similar to the neighborhood. In regards to the best roof for the environment, say you're in a mountain or a rural environment, I like metal roofs a lot. Metal roofs will stand up to hail. I say they stand up to them. They'll get dented, but they won't be structurally damaged. The second thing, they are extremely resistant to fire. So I do like metal roofs. It's going to be a cost-benefit analysis, though, you as the homeowner need to make. And we can help you make that decision. If you give us a call and look for an estimate, we can give you 5 different options about different roof types, help you choose the one that's best for your property. Thanks for asking. Thanks.